Hope everybody's doing well. Happy Friday to you and yours. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you for tuning in. This is Chocolus TV. I'm your host, Choco. Mr. Chocolus, if you're nasty. Love to be here. Happy to be here. Got a kind of exciting development, at least in my opinion. I'm pretty happy about it. Something I've wanted for quite some time, and now it's all mine. No one can take it from me. And guess what it is? Oh, you're looking at it. Uh-oh. Choco's driving the bus now. Look out. So we got the new, nice new Logitech G29 wheel with pedals. Still waiting on my shifter. Gonna get that shifter though, as well. So pretty stoked. It's kind of my first crack at it. I did have shit. Let's go way back. I did have a wheel for my PS2. I don't know. Long ass time ago. But really haven't had one since, and been really getting into simulators lately. This is kind of a fun one because it hits on, we can play Farm Sim with this, we can play American Truck, we can play Euro Truck, we can play a whole bunch of different things, right? So pretty stoked, and then maybe get into even some dirt or some real ass racing games, Forza, something like that. I don't know, we'll see. But yeah, what really gets me stoked is possibility of potentially some PlayStation VR 2 coming, which would be sick. Because if all of a sudden I'm VR with a wheel, I don't know if you guys have seen it. It's fucking nuts looking. I got to play a little bit at one of my good friends' houses, and we were actually, I didn't get to try. Is it Forza or is it Gran Turismo? I can't remember which one they released with it, but we ended up playing the Horizon Forbidden West or whatever. It's called something else. I forget what it's called. It's their version, but holy shit, it blew my mind. And I have a PS2 or a PS5, well, for VR, which is sick. I mean, check it out. Here, hold on one second. I'll show you. So I'm not really new to VR necessarily. See that? Yeah. But man, with the gun and everything, far point, hot shot, fucking Beat Saber, all that shit, right? Loved it. I mean, fun shit. Actually, we should do, I was thinking about it. You know that the Hard Rain is PlayStation Move compatible? So we could play Hard Rain where we're throwing punches. Which I never tried. I played it with the controller the first time, and shit, that was a long time ago, so I don't know. Point being, I tried out that PlayStation VR 2, and oh damn, they blocked it out better. It's the best HUD, I guess, out there available today. Beats Oculus and or what does he call it? Meta now? Is that what Zuckerberg's calling it? Beats the shit out of it, man. Brightest. It blew me away. Blew me away, man. Shout out to my boy. Con. Fucking Ham Connor. Love you, bro. Anyways. Someday, right? We'll get there. But one step at a time. But today we are debuting the wheel. And I say, what better place than logging some miles on good old Southwest America. And actually, we did get some updates here. Shit. I mean, here's what we're rocking. Oh, we don't have a... Wait, do we? Oh, we don't have Texas. But we do have quite a few, yeah. So see if they say in library. So we got Wyoming, we got heavy, we got forest, we got special trans, which, hey, shout out. I did previous job, I was moving high and heavy. I was a logistics business unit manager, sales manager, and that was one of my specialties, was doing that crazy shit with the escorts and everything. Like right here, right? Construction equipment, that was me. Sugarcane harvesters, you know, you name it. Anything from excavators to front loaders to, it doesn't matter. All that big shit was good fun. No, we didn't get the Valentine's pack. Sorry, for those of you out there. Got some new steering wheel shit. And wheel tones. Let's see, what do we got here? Ooh, I'm excited about this. The retro wave. Let's bring that paint. Let's get that crazy paint jobs going. Problem is, we're fucking broke. Well, we're not broke, but we ain't got, you know, $7 billion. Shout out to B Rizzy. B Rizzy, what up? But we'll get there. Let's build this empire. Let's do it. Let's do it together. Personal news. Not a whole lot. Sorry, I've been kind of in and out lately. I know. It's kind of sick for a little bit. Got some health shit going on, but I'll be alright. Shout out to my bro. Happy birthday, April 7th. Love you, man. And then it's my fiance, my girl's birthday tomorrow. So we're kind of doing some special, going on a little trip, getting a little hotel room, maybe a suite, maybe jacuzzi, maybe a nice dinner. What up, Donkey? How you doing, bro? Good to see you, man. Dude, we're actually not going far. We're checking out this new place. She wanted to hit up this restaurant that just opened up, or it might have been open for a little bit, but we never made it. Called like Animals or something Animals, but it's like pretty badass, high scale. I guess you call it barbecue. I don't know. Steakhouse. Fucking real deal shit, you know. So we're hitting that up. Staying at the Crown Plaza. Oh yeah, dude. It's gonna be so fucking good. I can't wait. Got the suite at the Plaza. And then we got brunch booked for Easter. Not that I'm a big Easter guy or Jesus guy, but shit, excuse to drink some Bloody Marys at noon. I know you do. I know you do, Donkey. What's that, South Park? No, you really, really love Jesus. Cartman. Christ in me. Fucking South Park. Anyways, good to be back. Down on my knees to please him. It's so good. Is there anything better? I mean, come on. I know it's been fucking 30 years, but 20 some years, but no, there's not. It's the best. Still the best. I just, yeah, they do this shit where they just rerun classics all fucking day on Comedy Central, but if you got cable or if you got streams, but it's so still gets me. I mean, I've seen him so many fucking times that it doesn't matter. Doesn't fucking matter. It was the Black Friday special a couple days ago. It's hilarious. I mean, I could name a million, but anyways, Donkey, check it out, boy. I got fucking wheel, baby. Wheel and pedals, so I think we ready to drive. I don't know. I tried to configure it. We'll see what happens. I might just crash and burn. I don't know. But they got this like Logitech G hub. Makes it pretty straightforward. And then you can assign different configurations per the game. Like whatever you're playing. She made it pretty easy, dude. Shit's getting crazy, man. Dude, you know what? Fucking, dude, that's so good to hear because, straight up Dongbags told me the same thing. He's like, dude, you weren't refreshed. You need at least 60. You gotta have 60 megahertz refresh. Dude, my shit, what's my, dude, I'm running 360 on my rig right now. So of course you're so fucked if you're running 30. Yeah, like like I'm seeing everything 10 steps ahead of you, bro, and everybody else is too. Dude, I'm glad you found it out though. Dude, let's get on that game mode. Let's fucking do it, dude. I'm down. I jumped on earlier, but I didn't see Dongbags. If he's around, dude, I'd be down to do whatever. Hit up some trios or give it a shot. I mean, me and him, we don't give a fuck, right? We're not gonna go pro. Like, that game straight up just, it's probably better to play now too, honestly. Later it gets some more toxic, dude. Everybody gets drunk and just starts talking shit on there. It's brutal. It's like, hey man, I shot like 3 guys in the face. What do you want me to do? They're like, oh, what the fuck, bitch? You suck. It is what it is. Dude, you should also get in on, me and Donks have been getting down on this game Grounded. We got a pretty sick game going actually. And we're not too... No, fuck it. You ain't down for that. Come on, Honey, I Shrunk the Kids, but spiders and shit. Yeah, it's all good. It's fun though, I'll tell you what. Alright, so we got the wheel. Apparently we got windshield wipers that turn on. Maybe. Damn, look at that. I can't wait to try this, dude. This is gonna be sick. Well, either way, dude. I mean, I'll play Returnal too. I don't give a fuck. I know that's your shit. Alright. Holy shit, the wheel feels amazing. Actually, I should grab my... Well, what are we gonna do here? Let's see. Should probably grab my trailer. Hey boss, special thanks. Blah blah blah. Some shit by professional, yeah. You know how I do. What do you think? I might as well just finish it off. I'm the hazardous master. So let's see, we got 100K, one driver, one truck. Obviously we need to get a crew, but we need another truck, and I want to pass this truck off and buy myself the best damn truck there is. Like something just beautiful. And I kind of had my eye on... the Kenworth. Oh, we skipping there. Oh. Like, right? Oof. 100th anniversary. That's a beast, dude. That is a beast. We give me that, and then we hire a driver. Problem is, level 23. Here's a 20. I think right now we're level 17 or 18. Oh shit, that looks sick in black too. 455, 1650, 235 gallon, and the ultra shift. But look at that, 600, 2050, 260 gallon. The alt. Yeah, it's pricey, but that's what I want. I think that's what I gotta get. I don't know. I think I just do it right. I played this game kind of like a total pussy this whole time. I guess a nice Volvo maybe. Let's check it out. I haven't had any debt. I paid up everything in cash. So here we go. Here's our 600. Here's our 2050. Ultra shift 220 instead of 260. And this one's available level 20. I mean, that's definitely a sexy ass truck. Big old sleeper, right? I don't know. But it's like, if I'm already spending 185, why don't I just go to 215 or whatever? Let's build out the fleet with the best of the best. Alright. So let's grab our fuel tank. Where is it? Oh, it's right here. Alright, good. Bong loads for Jesus. Yes, sir. Is that the Rastafarian way? Fuck, where is my trailer? Alright, let's see. I need you, buddy. It's my very own sexy trailer. Ooh, look at that. Oh, hey, yo. All mine. Bought and paid. Paid like 60 grand for 55 grand for it or something like that. Alright. Yeah, dude, thanks, man. I appreciate it. I'm super stoked to try it out. Oh, 110K, just like that. Let's see what we got around us, though. Nothing. I think the closest fuel is, yeah. Is it Oxnard? We probably just got a deadhead to Oxnard, as much as that sucks. Oh, Fresno's got some shit. Okay. Okay. Stockton. What's going on? It's probably hit Fresno. We only got 2 hours to get there. Shit. I don't think we'll make it in 2. Let's see how far it is. It is 3 hours and 11 minutes away, and we got 2. Fuck. Yeah, I don't know. I mean, we could try to gun it. 239. We need an extra 30. Damn. What else is paying well? Getting $61 a mile on these guys. Head over to New Mexico. No, fuck that. I mean, I guess we can go for it, but if we don't get it, what else is there in Fresno? Let's see. Head to Arizona. Yeah. Alright. See what happens. Whoa. Damn, the wheel's wild. It's got the rumble and everything. Holy shit. Might keep me awake at night. Oh yeah, and it's like haptic too, dude. It pushes against, like, you feel the bumps, you feel the pressure, like, against the turn. Damn, that's sexy. That's what I'm talking about. Oh, I should be going 30 here, not 55. Sorry, donks. It was like, $250 on sale. Oh, fucking A. Just for crossing the line. I hate the cops, dude. $250 on sale. I think normally like $300. But dude, it's this one's actually made for, yeah, this one's made for PS5 too. So, you know, I'll be getting down some Gran Turismo and shit too with it. Whatever I want. Dude, think about it with the VR, dude. Did you hear my fucking rant on the VR? Have you tried PSVR 2 yet? Oh yeah, dude, it'll be good forever. I still have an old PS2 fucking wheel. I'm not kidding. Shit still works. Just, I don't play PS2 that much. But dude, I know. Dude, think about playing this shit VR though, with the wheel. I get lost in it, dude. I get just lost. Like I might never come out again. Alright. Oh, we got the wipers on still? What the hell? Let's cruise, baby. Open road, log some miles. Damn, this is looking good. Oh. Hear that engine roar? Oh yeah, dude, I have a PSVR. But I just don't have the PSVR 2 yet, but I tried it. And it's fucking awesome, dude. I played Horizon. Whatever, it's not Forbidden West, it's whatever they... Dude, holy shit. Holy shit.